Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super hidden Instagram cooking sticker. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So open your Instagram and any post to the story now, add to the story. So now I'm just going to show how to add a cooking sticker. Just type as cook here. Now you can see a lot of cooking stickers. You have a hat about the cooking. You can make a hat that fits to your head like this, and have a lot of the options of cooking. So just what the dishes that you want, you just click here and add here like this. So it's simple. While you are making about a cooking story, it's so creative idea to make the sticker that help you to make a different unique cooking stickers and cooking Instagram story idea. So these are the tags that cooking with love or let's cook like that. So now you can see how my cooking stickers has changed my story instantly. So try this option and try the stickers on your Instagram story and have a creative Instagram story idea. So I think this video helped you a lot. It is really useful. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below.